Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the OnePlus Nord so Google Assistant can run reliably. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data and sign into the Google account you want Assistant to use. Then, open Settings, go to Apps and tap Default Apps. Choose Assist app. Once done, select Google as the assistant and allow the initial permissions it requests. Make sure to give microphone access now, because without it, Assistant cannot hear voice commands. This is the essential first actionable step to get things moving. Next, you'll configure voice activation and shortcuts so Assistant responds instantly. Open the Google app, tap More, then Settings and Google Assistant. Under Voice Match, train your voice model and enable Hey Google. This ties the assistant to your voice and improves recognition. Then create shortcuts for frequent tasks, add navigation to work, or a message template, so you can trigger complex actions with a short phrase. Once set, test a few commands. Make sure responses are accurate and adjust voice match if the assistant confuses similar voices. Finally, fine-tune permissions and run practical tests to confirm everything works. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google, right arrow Permissions, and ensure microphone, location, and notifications are allowed, because Assistant needs them for many tasks. Then try commands like set a timer, play music, or get directions to confirm real-world behavior. If something fails, restart the phone, recheck the permissions, and update the Google app. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice activation fails, retrain voice match and verify microphone access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.